Thank you very much to Mr. James Lee. Right now, we have more comprehensive perspective on solution. The upcoming topic is how battery will change a solar residential market, made by our guest speaker, Mr. Huy Le, CEO of TataSolar Vietnam. Please welcome Mr. Huy Le.
Hi everybody, my name is Le Huy from Vietnam. I have over 5 years of experience in sales and marketing, 2 years of experience in solar field. Today it's an honor to stand here to share with you guys a topic, how battery will change the residential segment. Okay, let's take a look at this graph. As you can see, Vietnam is a potential country for solar power, and policy of government is supporting solar through Phase 1 and Phase 2. But as you can know, solar just can only use in the day, so that is an imbalance compared with other sources. That's why Vietnamese government just announced it by year. They need all the resources to contribute why solar just have a half of the day. The best way in using solar is self-usage. That's why the residential segment, a new model battery will lead to a new chapter of solar. Actually, the battery have existed many years ago, but its price and lifespan are a problem. The old model of battery just have a 3 years lifespan. Cost is too high. We can't do it. That's why no one uses it. But if Huawei or other brand can have a new model of battery with cheaper and longer lifespan, that's a different story. Have a look at situation in Vietnam now. The Phase 2 is 0.835 cents per kilowatt hour for 20 years, while the purchase price is 1.377 cents. In Vietnam, payback time is usually from 4 or 2 years. Phase 2 will finish at the end of this year, and Phase 3 will maybe lower. That means the solar in Vietnam depends too much on feed price. Without support from the government, the solar can't grow. That's a problem. But now, with battery solar can stand out of feed shadow. We can grow, even have feed price or not. That's a good news. With battery, we can have a more 64% higher investment return. Sale price will be 1.377 per kilowatt hour and increase annually. Okay, don't let you wait anymore. Now I have a detailed number to show you guys. Please take a look at the payback sheets. We are looking for an example of 7 kilowatt peak using battery 10 kilowatt hour. 50% self-usage on the day and 50% use on the night. Monthly production in Vietnam is 4.3 hours per day, equal 882 kilowatt hour. You can see the monthly production on the graph. And we have an electricity purchase price is 0.14 cents. This is also the price is counted for investment return, because we are using 100% electricity we produce. Purchase price increase every 10% per year, minus 4% reduce performance of PV panel and battery. We will save per month is $121. The battery cost we suppose is $4,000 for 10 kilowatt hour storage. Look at the table at the right. Our cost is $7,906. First year we will have $1,454. The next column is cash flow. After 2 years, we will have $300 return. After third year, we will earn $700. and we will have our money back on the 5th year, equal 24% investment return rate. That's so good. Equal now we have a Fit 2 in Vietnam. If the battery is $6,000, it's still okay. Our investment is almost $10,000 and we will have 6-year payback time. But you should remember, price on battery always go down. Also PV panel. Mean from now on, maximum payback time for solar in residential segment just 5 or 6 years. So that's why solar in residential will have a bright future. Average per capita of Vietnam reached 2,300 kWh per person. That means just only equal to 78% of ASEAN and Pacific, 67% of the world, 45% of the Malaysia, 44% of the China, lower than Thailand and very low compared to the Japan, Korea, Taiwan and Singapore. Days by days, people will use more electricity. And 2025, Vietnam still in hunger of electricity. That's why battery will unbutton for that problem. If the battery is good, from now on every house owner will build a solar on their rooftop with the battery built-in. You can imagine that just in next 5 or 6 years, we will see the solar rooftop popular like the smartphone today. View from Vietnam. In Vietnam, the residential market not yet have any brand have a solution. If Huawei can deliver a new battery model, it will lead a market in Vietnam. Fit affect a lot of how market change. Battery will a product that can protect Huawei from that. No need to depend on Fit anymore. That's just a quick view of Vietnam market in the residential segment. I hope all APAC have a good news like Vietnam. If you have any question, please contact me. Thank you all.